Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and I just wanted to drop a short video to let you know that I will be at the Ledger Open tomorrow in New York in person. So I hope to see you there. So it starts tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There'll be a lot of discussions about the Web3 revolution. You can find out more about it here on the webpage, which I'm going to put a link to down in the description below. Like I said, it starts at 10 a.m. There'll be some keynote speakers, and then the open part of the event will last from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. There'll be an open space to the public where there'll be product reveals, installations, and panel discussions. They'll probably find a place for me there somewhere. And then you can also sign up online to watch some of these keynote presentations taking place throughout the day, mostly focusing on Web3. Of course, you can attend in person in New York, so I hope to meet some of my subscribers there tomorrow. You can also watch online. They've got a link here to their Twitter feed where you can check out a live stream on their Twitter feed. And of course, I'll have my phone with me, so I'll try to post some YouTube shorts tomorrow while I'm there so that you can see what's going on with me down on the floor live. Hopefully you guys can join me. And of course, if you miss any of the streams, they'll have some backlinks here so that you can rewatch some of these live presentations. All right, so like I said, I'll be there live, probably be on the floor most of the day. Hope to meet some of you guys down there. Sounds pretty exciting. And of course, I'll keep you updated throughout the day. So hope to see you there.